Welcome to the tutorial for Transport Infrastructure Ireland's Collision Reduction Tool, hereafter referred to as the tool. This tool was developed on behalf of TII by TRL UK in partnership with ARAP. The tool standardises the approach to calculating the collision modification factors, or CMF, for proposed safety measures of a road safety scheme and the first-year rate of return. The tool brings a consistent approach to collision modifications factors and first-year rate of return for road safety practitioners, TII, national bodies, local authorities, designers and contractors involved in road safety improvement schemes. We will introduce, detail the purpose or intended use of the tool, and complete a worked example. The tool uses an Irish collision prediction model developed by TRL UK and the CMF Clearinghouse database to calculate the reduction in collisions for road safety measures on the Irish road network. The user can also input their own CMF if required. The tool is not a design tool. It will not check that the proposed road safety measures are realistic or suitable for the proposed road safety improvement scheme. The tool will evaluate the proposed road safety measures for the localised road safety improvement scheme to calculate the predicted reduction in collision and the first-year rate of return for project appraisal. Refer to the TII Project Appraisal Guidelines for more advice. Once the design of the road safety improvement scheme is complete, the inputs required for the tool can be determined. The first step is to download the tool from the TII Publications website. The tool is available on the TII Publication website and can be downloaded by clicking the link provided in the show notes. Select Supplementary Documents, Safety and Final TRL Collision Reduction Calculator. The tool is in a spreadsheet format and requires Excel version 2016 or later. There are macros within the tool that will need to be accepted the first time the tool is downloaded by clicking this dialog box. Once downloaded, the tool can be populated with the details of the proposed road safety improvement scheme. The tool has 5 tabs. The first tab, Guidance, provides guidance on how to use the tool and details of crash modification factor databases and how to refresh the data. The second tab, Calculator, is the main calculator tab. Details of the proposed road safety improvement scheme are inputted into this tab. The third tab, Calculations with CMFs, completes calculations with crash modification factors and provides the detail behind the collision changes present in the main calculator tab. The fourth tab, Available Road Safety Measures, lists the available road safety measures within the tool. The road safety measures available are divided into 21 different categories to assist selecting the road safety measures in the Calculator tab. The fifth tab, User Added Road Safety Measures, allows the user to input CMFs from other sources or datasets. Before populating the tool, the user will need to compile details about the proposed road safety improvement scheme. To input into the tool, select the second tab, Calculator. The Calculation tab consists of 6 sections. Section 1, Scheme Details. Section 2, Collision Data at Site. Section 3, Collision Costs. Section 4, Road Safety Measures. Section 5, Cost to Implement. And Section 6, Results. Where the inputs are not known, assumptions can be made. These assumptions can be recorded in the text box in Section 6. The scheme details consist of the scheme name, road type, and the date of calculation. The collision numbers at site consist of the applicable number of fatal, serious and non-serious injury, damage only, and the number of years covered by datasets. The collision costs consist of the associated costs for fatal, serious, non-serious injury and damage-only collisions. The road safety measures consist of descriptions of the road safety measures. Please note that the tool does not consider the suitability of the proposed road safety measure to the existing scenario. The implementation costs are costs associated with the proposed road safety improvement scheme. These costs can be combined into a total single cost or itemised for each road safety measure. The results are the predicted annual change in collision by severity and the first-year rate of return for the proposed road safety improvement scheme. We will now complete a worked example based on a theoretical scenario to demonstrate the functionality and how to input into the tool. Before we start to input, please ensure that you have all the inputs required or have made reasonable assumptions for unknown inputs. Open the CRC tool and select the Calculator tab. Section 1 Scheme Details. To input the scheme details, select the scheme name cell and input the scheme name. For this example, we use the N100 Ballytown to Capitol Road and hit return. The greyed out cells are locked and details can only be inputted into the white cells. Next, select the road type from the TII network cell. There are 4 options: legacy, single carriageway, dual carriageway, or motorway. Legacy roads are roads that may have evolved from historic routes that are often constrained by physical or environmental conditions, may not conform to current design standards, or would not easily fall into the other 3 road types. Selecting the appropriate road type is important as the road safety measures available are filtered by road type. For this example, select single carriageway road type from the drop-down menu. The date of calculation is autofilled by the tool for the date the calculation is completed. Section 2 Collision Data at Site. To input collision data applicable to the scheme, select the cells for the number of collisions for each of the collision severities. Enter the number of collisions recorded and the number of years covered by the collision data. For this example, the number of fatal collisions, 3 over 5 years of collision data. The tool has calculated the average annual collisions before road safety measures for each collision type. Section 3 Collision Costs. To input the collision costs, select the cells for the recognised costs or value of prevention for each collision severity. Refer to Government of Ireland Transport Appraisal Framework Module 8 for guidance on collision costs. For this example, fatal collision costs are €2,778,132. Serious collision costs are €318,373. Non-serious injury collision costs are €32,346. Damage-only costs are €2,785. Section 4 Road Safety Measures. The list of road safety measures is on the Available Road Safety Measures tab. Each road safety measure has a unique ID number and is categorised into 21 different categories, such as speed management, delineation, shoulder treatments, roadway, etc. To select a road safety measure, select the Calculate tab and the cell for road safety measure ID1. Click the category drop-down list to select a category and click the road safety measure drop-down list to select a road safety measure. Please note that the tool does not consider the suitability of the proposed road safety measure to the existing scenario. For this example, we will select intersection geometry and provide right turn channelization ID CH1668. The tool automatically calculates the percentage change in collisions. In this example, there is a 27% reduction in collisions for each collision type. The road safety measures from the TII dataset are filtered by the road type selected in Section 1. In this example, we have selected single carriageway, and road safety measures valid for motorways will not appear in the drop-down menus, and vice versa. For example, if we select Irish AMP CMF, we can select decreased number of commercial accesses per kilometre by 3 for single carriageway. If we change to motorway, decreased number of commercial accesses per kilometre by 3 is no longer available in the drop-down menu. We can add a second road safety measure by selecting Road Safety Measures ID2. We will select Delineation and place central line markings CH7. This road safety measure reduces serious and non-serious injury type collisions by 1%, with no change to fatal collisions, but increases the damage-only collisions by 1%. Adding this road safety measure has triggered this red text to appear, drawing our attention to a road safety measure that is associated with an increase in this type of collision. This is a good example of how some road safety measures affect collision types differently. Road safety measures can decrease, increase, and have no impact on the different collision types. Next, we will add a user-added road safety measure. Select the User-Added Road Safety Measures tab. Scroll down to the white input cells to enter the details of the road safety measure. For this example, we will input rural traffic calming and -10% collision reduction percentage. This percentage will be applied to all collision type and road types. Up to 6 user-added road safety measures can be added. To apply the user-added safety measure, go to the ribbon at the top of the Excel sheet and select the Data menu. Under the Queries and Connections menu, select Refresh All. This will run a background query to add the user-added road safety measure to the tool, as noted in the bottom left corner. Please note, this refresh and background query may take some time. While the refresh is happening, you may see this privacy warning. Simply click on the Ignore Privacy option and then the Save button. There are additional troubleshoot tips in the User-Added Road Safety Measures tab. If this Access Web Content dialog box appears, the correct option to select is Anonymous, which should apply it to the cmfclearinghouse.org website, and hit Connect. If this Potential Security Concern dialog box appears, select OK. The only external connection in this tool is to the Clearinghouse, which is freely available data that doesn't require a login. Return to the Calculator tab and under Category, User Added has appeared. Select this category and the User-Added Road Safety Measure will be listed in the drop-down menu. The User-Added Road Safety Measures will also appear on the Available Road Safety Measures tab. If you need to add another or amend the User-Added Road Safety Measures, make the necessary amendments and refresh. The tool will automatically update the Calculator tab, and additional User-Added Road Safety Measures can be added as before. The tool calculates the overall percentage change for the combination of road safety measures by collision type. In this example, the tool calculates a 30% reduction in fatal, 31% reduction in serious or non-serious injury, and a 30% reduction in damage-only collisions. Section 5. Costs to implement. Select the Calculator tab and scroll to Section 5 and select either the total cost cell or the individual costs for each road safety measure. Note that the maximum value for these cells is €100 million. Entering a higher value will generate an error in the tool. Additionally, decimal places are not permitted and will generate a similar error. We will now input individual road safety measure costs. Add €250,000 for Provide Right Turn Channelization, €12,000 for Place Central Line Markings, and €70,000 for Rural Traffic Calming. The tool calculates the overall total costs to implement as €332,000. Alternatively, this total costs of all road safety measures can be inputted into the total cost to implement cell. Please note that the tool will default to the total cost to implement if total costs and individual costs are inputted. This may affect the first-year rate of return if the costs to implement are not inputted correctly. Section 6. Results. The tool automatically calculates the first-year rate of return based on the details provided. For this example, the tool predicts an overall reduction of 2.1 collisions annually. The first-year rate of return is 251%, with an annual collision saving of €833,183. An output of the predicted change in collisions and first-year rate of return can be generated by printing the Calculator tab, by hitting Ctrl-P or selecting Print under the File menu in the ribbon at the top. For this example, we will hit Ctrl-P, select PDF format and save the output in the Download folder as N100 Ballytown to Capital City Road, FYRR. The print of the Calculator tool includes all 6 sections for inclusion in an assessment report for the proposed road safety improvement scheme. Based on the details provided in the collision reduction tool for the example road safety scheme, the tool predicts an overall reduction of 2.1 collisions annually. The first-year rate of return is 251%, with an annual collision saving of €833,183. The tool estimates the predicted change in collisions and the first-year rate of return for the proposed road safety improvement scheme, but it does not provide guidance on the evaluation of the road safety improvement scheme. This concludes the tutorial video for the collision reduction calculator developed by TRL UK in partnership with Arup on behalf of Transport Infrastructure Ireland. If you have any queries, contact details are provided in the show notes. Thank you for watching. We hope it was informative.